Hi YouTube family. When creating a website, you are essential renting a server to store your files so that anyone in the world can access them through your domain name. But how do web hosting services and website builder tools handle this task? The key difference boil down to how you create your website files, how owns them, and the cost of maintaining them on a server. Web hosting vs website builders, the key difference. A web hosting services and a website builder tool provide directly different experiences. Let's explore how they compare in terms of website creation, ownership, and flexibility. One, website creation process. Web hosting services. When you purchase web hosting, you are essentially renting an empty server. You have a complete control over how you build your site. Most people use WordPress, which is a free software that can be installed on any web hosting server. Many hosting providers like Hostinger offer automated WordPress installations to simplify the process. Website builders provide an all-in-one solution with pre-installed tools for creating a website. These platforms like Wix and Squarespace are user friendly and offer drag and drop functionality, making it easier to design a website quickly. However, you are looked into their ecosystem and limited to the feature like they provide. Number two, ownership and control. Web hosting services, you own all the files you create. You can download, modify, and transfer them to another hosting provider whenever you want. This flexibility ensures long-term ownership and control over your website. Website builder science. Website builders operate within a closed ecosystem. You don't have access to the server or raw files. If you ever decide to move your site elsewhere, you will have to rebuild it from scratch because the files will not work outside of the platform. Number three, performance and cost. Web hosting services. With hosting, you can choose a server based on your budget and performance needs. Hosting plans can be as cheap as $2 per month, and you can scale up as needed. Website builders. These platforms tend to be more expensive, offer costing to 10 times more than a standard hosting plan. Additionally, design over effectively with their websites offer load slower that than tools built on traditional hosting. Why web hosting is a better long-term choice. Flexibility with hosting, you can install any platform like WordPress, Joomla, or even code your website from scratch. Performance hosting providers allow you can choose your server specifically, ensuring better speed and in efficiency. Ownership, you fully control your website files, making migrations easier and future proofing your site. Cost effectively, web hosting is generally cheaper than website builders, making it is a better investment for long-term use. Best hosting option for beginners. For beginners, choosing between a website builder and traditional hosting can be difficult. However, hosting offers a flexible solution where you can use the both approach. You can install WordPress for full control and customization. Use Hostinger website builder for easy drag and drop design. Host multiple websites using different methods on the same server. This hybrid approach ensure you have full control while enjoying the convention of an intuitive website builder in if needed. Recommendation: if you are serious about your website and want long term control, avoid website builders. They are often expensive, retractive, and make migration difficult. Instead, OPT and for affordable web hosting with WordPress, which gives you full control over your site future. If you prefer a mix of both, Stringer providers a flexible solution at a lower cost than competitors like Wix or Squarespace. By choosing the right hosting solution from the start, you can save money, improve website performance, and ensure long-term success for your site.